All right, hear me out. What if your camera could fly all on its own, track your movements, shoot in 8K, and fold up into a super compact size? This is the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX, a self-flying drone that makes it incredibly easy to capture aerial photos and videos on the go. The X1 is super compact, just look at this thing, and it's nearly pocketable. It's so lightweight to take it on just about any adventure and ready to fly in seconds. You just unfold it, hit a button, and launch. This drone follows you with impressive accuracy, can track subjects moving up to 26 miles per hour and keep you perfectly framed the entire time. 26 miles per hour is far faster than I would ever be running, so runners out there, I think you'll really appreciate this drone. Let's talk about video specs. This thing shoots in crisp 8K at 30 frames per second, but if you want buttery smooth slow motion footage, it can also shoot at 60 frames per second in 4K. You want that dramatic slow motion, go all the way up to 120 frames per second in 4K or 1080p. It also takes sharp high-resolution photos up to 48 megapixels, and all of that's stored on a 64 gig internal memory with room for a micro SD card if you need more space. Your footage stays nice and smooth thanks to that 2-axis gimbal on the front here and the built-in electronic image stabilization. That way you can avoid those annoying unwanted jitters in drone footage. Can't stand it. The real magic is in the flight modes, however, and this drone can perform some tasks that you would otherwise have to perform manually. There's follow, orbit, zoom out, bird's eye view, dolly track, and even a ski mode, which I will not be demonstrating in this video because I'm not trying to hurt myself. It can fly around you, zoom out for a wide cinematic reveal, or hover steadily for that perfect hero shot. And it also doesn't fully need GPS as it uses AI and vision sensors to fly indoors, through forests, even in tricky terrain. And it has a rear collision detection as well, so it knows when to stop and fly back safely. Weighing under 7 ounces, it's lighter than your smartphone. That means no FAA registration, no headaches, and total portability. You can toss it in your backpack, jacket pocket, or even a small camera pouch of some sort. And the best part is the propellers are fully enclosed, so you don't have to worry about getting bound up in your backpack or anything like that. And it's also safe to launch right from your hand. The battery life clocks in at about 14 to 16 minutes per charge, and the basic combo comes with extra batteries and a charging hub, which you can actually find right here in this beautiful case. If you want to take full control, there's an optional beacon remote that gives you extended range and precision flying. But really, the whole point of this drone is freedom. Freedom from apps, remotes, freedom from headaches, which I could do without. And the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is basically like having a second camera person always on hand. For content creators, travelers, athletes, and adventurers, it can really change the game. But let us know in the comments what you're filming with the X1 PROMAX. I would love to hear it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Matt, and I'll see you next time.